Unlock a powerful stream of real estate leads directly into your marketing toolkit by integrating Zillow today. First, log into your marketing toolkit and locate the primary navigation menu. Look for the Settings or Integrations option, usually found in the bottom left corner or along the top bar of your dashboard. Once in the settings, navigate to the Integrations or Connected Accounts section. Scroll through the list of available services until you find the Zillow integration option, or use the search bar provided. Click on the Zillow integration to initiate the connection. You'll be prompted to provide your Zillow account access details, such as your registered Zillow email and password, or a unique authorization token generated from your Zillow profile. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to grant the necessary permissions. After successful authentication, you'll enter the configuration phase. Here, you can define how Zillow leads flow into your system. Map Zillow's lead data fields, like name, email, and property interest, to the corresponding fields within your marketing toolkit's contact management system. Additionally, you can set up automated lead routing rules. Decide which team members or automated campaigns should receive Zillow leads instantly. This ensures leads are distributed efficiently to the right place for immediate follow-up. Finally, save your settings and perform a test to ensure the integration is working correctly. You might send a test lead or check your system for a recent Zillow lead to confirm it's pulling data as expected. With Zillow fully activated, you're now ready to maximize your lead capture directly within your marketing toolkit.